This is the elevator at the Merrick Park Mall. Sorry I didn't have Tom at Tire number 1, so I'm using Tom at Tire Jr. Now, look what we have here. It's a CJ Anderson call button. My first CJ Anderson. Has center speed doors. Well, I don't know what kind of elevator that might be. Oh, here it is. Let's get a cab view. Well, it seems to be pretty nice here. Indicator. These buttons need to be a little different from any part of the way. Well, this seems to be quite nice. It's spacious. Are you going up? What floor?
Upper.
Upper? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, see it. So I don't know about this elevator. It seems to have multiple interlocks there. Let's get a final view of this. And this is definitely my first CJ Anderson call button. And right here is the MPE, known as the stairs, or a man-powered elevator. And let's get a view of this. Also, I might get the one inside. It definitely has nice leveling. You can barely see me. Hey now. Let's get a final look at here, and that'll be it.